Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that many users face with their keyboard layouts. The issue arises when using layouts like US, ABC, ABC Extended, or Dvorak, where pressing KBD Option KBD+Key results in symbols instead of the desired key input. This can be a real headache, especially when trying to use certain key combinations in applications like VS Code. The root of the problem lies in how the layout interprets the KBD Option KBD key, turning it into unwanted symbols, rather than letting the application capture the key presses as intended. Now, let's delve into the solution to this frustrating problem. The key lies in creating custom layout files that remove the dead keys causing the issue. By following the steps mentioned earlier, such as using Ukulele to edit the layout and making adjustments to eliminate the dead keys, you can effectively disable the unwanted symbol behavior of KBD Option KBD plus key combinations. Once you've created and installed the custom layout, you'll no longer have to deal with those pesky symbols interfering with your keyboard shortcuts. In summary, by customizing your keyboard layout to remove the dead keys causing the unwanted symbol behavior, you can ensure that KBD Option KBD plus key inputs are sent directly to the application without any interference. Say goodbye to those frustrating moments when your key combinations don't work as expected. Remember, a customized layout tailored to your needs can make all the difference in enhancing your user experience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And remember, keep those keyboard shortcuts working seamlessly.